I hope you all are very good, and I pray that the coronavirus that is all around the world may not harm us. So, today I am here to give you a short video on the first chapter, the three questions. So, once there was a king. He thought that if he knew only three things, he would never fail. So, what were those things? First, what is the right time to begin something? And second, which people should he listen to? And third one, what is the most important thing for him to do? So, these three things, if anyone knows, suppose if you know, I know, anyone knows, can do anything, whatever he or she wants. So, the king also wanted to know the answer to these three questions. So, what he did, he called the people, all the wise men that were all around his kingdom. He called and he asked them to answer the question. He put the questions. Many people gave different ideas, different views, but the king did not get satisfaction with the answers. So at last, what he thought? He went to a hermit. Hermit means sadhu. He went to the hermit and he put on the same questions. Hey, oh wise hermit, I have come to you for knowing the answer of my three questions. He said the questions. He repeated his questions. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? But the hermit did not answer anything. He was digging in front of his hut. He kept on digging. The king waited and waited. And after some time, the king said to the hermit, "Give me the spade. I will work for you and you take some rest." The king started digging. And what happened? Then the hermit sat down. After 2 hours, 3 hours, the king continued to work. And again he said, "Hermit, oh wise hermit, please give me the answer so that I may go home." But the hermit did not answer. Instead he said, "Give me the spade. Now let me work and you take rest." The king sat down there. The whole day passed. The hermit did not answer anything. And what happened? The king got little upset and he said to the hermit, "Hermit, if you are not able to answer my questions, if you don't want to answer my questions, tell me so that I may go home." But hermit till then did not give any answer. So what happened? Waited. As they were talking, a man came running towards them. He was wounded and he was bleeding thoroughly. Hermit and the king, they both looked after him. They dressed his wounds, and the king also was tired by the work that he had done the whole day. So the king also slept there. And in the morning when they got up, the person who was coming towards them begged pardon from the king and said, "O king, forgive me." The king said, "Why are you asking my forgiveness?" The man said, "I was here to kill you. I came here to kill you. But your man who met me on the way, they recognized me and they wounded me. But you saved my life." The king asked, "Why had you come to kill me?" He said that you had sentenced my brother to death. Then I had taken the revenge that I will kill you one day. And for that reason I had come to kill you. But your man, they caught me on the way and they wounded me. Somehow I escaped from them. But if you had not dressed my wounds, I would have been dead." The king felt very happy that he had made friends with him. And in the morning when again the king went to the hermit and said, "Oh dear hermit, oh wise hermit, please answer me the questions. But the hermit said, till now you did not get any answer. If I had given you the answers yesterday, you would have gone, and this man who was waiting for you to kill would have shot you dead, and you would have wished that I would have stayed with the hermit. But that did not happen. And who is the most important person for you? Who is the most important person for you? The man who came running towards us. And what is the time? The right time is now. The important person is the person whom we are dealing with. And the right business is to do good to others, to the people whom we are meeting. So my dear students, the right time never comes. The right time is now. The time that we can make use of, because we do not know what will happen in the future, whether we will be able to meet anyone else, or the right thing that we have to do is to do good to others. So the king also understood what he has to do, and I think, my dear students, you also have understood what is the right time, what are the most important people, and what is the right thing that you have to do. So I hope you have liked this video, and I wish you have learned a lot by this. So okay, bye bye. Thank you.